Now I'm going to show you how you can create super slow motion and also speed up your video. So go to the shade, double click, and I'm going to drag this skydiving video in timeline. Now guys, by default if we click here, as you can see we have 1080 resolution. So this is in full HD, so I'm going to change this to 2080 x 720. And now using the scroll and using the control key, we can zoom out and we can click here, select this video, and we can scale it down. So I'm going to click zoom to fit, and I think we are good to go. So this is in normal speed. So if you want to speed up your video, you have to select your clip, and now right here in the speed option we can speed up this video. And now I'm going to change the speed to 2x. So the normal speed is 1x, so now we currently change this to 2x. And now if we play this video, now you can see guys we have this speed up video. Now let's change this to 1x. So this is the normal speed, and now let's change this to super slow motion. So I'm going to change this to 0.5. So now if we play this video, now you can see guys this is in slow motion, but it not just look good. So we have to check smooth slow motion, and now it will take some time to add the smoothness to the slow motion. If it keep loading, then we can split the clip. So I'm going to split my clip to about 5 seconds, and let's select this one, press backspace, and now it will load fast. And now guys it is done. So now if I play this video, now you can see guys now we have the super smooth slow motion. And now if I uncheck, you can see now we have the huge difference. And now guys this is before and this is after super slow motion. So now you can clearly see we have huge difference.